Hi, my name is Zenzale. Welcome to my channel, Urban Eve. In this video, I'm going to be doing a review of a wig that I just received called the Lemonade Braid Wig. Now, I watched a review of this braided unit on my Wig Bay Phoebe Rome's channel, and I was just like, oh my God, I have to try this. I have never purchased a braided wig before. Like, I have a wig from Anne Elise that is a micro twist unit, not to be confused with a braid unit. And Anne Elise here is in Lagos, Nigeria, I believe. So it's not domestic. This is my first ever braided unit wig that I have ever purchased from, like, you know, a regular, you know, beauty supply. So I purchased her from Sam's Beauty. She retails for about $49.99, $60 with like taxes and shipping and stuff. And like I said, I just received her, so I'm really excited to try her out. So I have not opened it as yet because I wanted to show you this box that it comes in. Can we just take a moment to look at this incredible print right here? Yes, it does mess with your eyes a bit if you look too long, but I will be keeping this box. I could use this box to like repurpose and like gift something else for someone for the holidays. I want all wigs to come in boxes like this. Just boxes would be nice. Just boxes would be fine, but boxes like this? So on the back of it, it says WSD lace braid box. I got it in the color 1B. I don't know that there is any other color that this comes in. I've noticed that a lot of braided wig units basically only come in 1 or 1B, which is great, but I have this fantasy that braided wig units will also come in fun, bright, vibrant colors, like some copper colors, some warm like blonde colors, and then some like crazy like pink, neon green, orange, blue colors. Can somebody start that? Because that would be bomb. Okay, so this is the unit right here. She's quite long. Oh, I still have the netting on. I'm impressed so far. I'm liking the look of this. So let me just take out all the stuffing. So this is what the wig is looking like. This braiding is top notch. It is really nice and laid down. I really like that. I love this parting space. I love the shade of this lace, how that's looking. As you can see, there are baby hairs that come with this as well. I'm feeling this inside of this cap, and I'm feeling like this is going to be nice and big head friendly. I feel like this is quite a lot of space actually. And since my hair is cut pretty low, that's gonna be extra space for me. This is what the inside of the cap looks like. You get all of this lace right here. I was thinking about spraying it with my lace tint spray, but I don't even know if it needs that. So this is what the back of it is looking like. There are 2 combs deep inside behind where the lace is, 1 comb on each side. And then in the back is a comb by the nape area and the adjustable straps. So touching these braids is also really nice too. I'm really impressed by how nice this feels. It doesn't feel like dry and crunchy. It actually feels really nice and soft. And the size of these braids, I would say, is like not large, but not small, like medium. So I'm just really excited to cut this lace off right now, throw this on, and see what she looks like. I'll be right back. Okay, so I think I'm pretty much done doing as much as I'm going to do with regards to styling on this unit so far. I did lay some baby hairs down. I don't want to get rid of them. I think that they're important for this unit. I don't think, at least for me, I mean, everyone has their own personal preference. You know, you don't ever see me go in doing baby hairs like this, but I feel like for this braided unit, it helps with the sort of, you know, seamlessness right here in the hairline. I will definitely neaten it up more later when I decide to wear it out, which I absolutely will. Let's see, I want to show you how long this comes down on me. It's about, I want to say like 22 or more inches. This is kind of like the longest braid right here. I'm about 5'4". So this is what it looks like on me. This is how far it comes down. So it's pretty long. Sorry about the stain on my shirt. My shirt's clean. It just never came out. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn around, give you a 360 of what this looks like, and then come back with my final thoughts about this lemonade braid box wig from Sims Beauty. I think that over here, I kind of want to make it a little bit neater, like maybe pull out those baby hairs and lay them down on the side so that this is a little bit more seamless looking. So let's start in an orderly fashion here with cons first. I think that the only con that I have about it is the cap is quite large, but that's not really a con because I pulled the adjustable straps in a bit and now it fits fine. The real con is that it's so big that it goes over my ears, and it would have been nice to sort of flip the braids over my ears somewhere, you know, when I wear it out. But the way that this cap is set up, that's not going to happen. So I believe that is my main con about this unit. Just this, you know, just that the cap comes down over the ears because it's so large. But on the plus side, if you have a larger head size than I do, my head measures 22 inches around, this might work for you. Maybe you can actually flip it over your ears or behind your ears. But if you have a head size that is smaller than 22 inches, you might be swimming in this. I mean, you could pull the adjustable straps in for more security, but you're not gonna see none of your ears. Like, it's a wrap for showing your ears in this unit. But that is basically it for my cons. Other than that, this is braided down so nice. The construction is really beautiful. I don't think that you have to worry about things showing in the back where you don't see just like braids laying down in the back. I don't think you have to worry about, you know, people seeing too much. The other thing I like about this unit is the feel of the braids. These feel like regular ass braids, like Kinkalon, like soft, you know, braids that you would have braided into your own hair if you got this done at a hair store or a salon, or, you know, one of the Africans in Harlem or wherever you might go to get your hair done by African woman. I think that this recreated that really, really nicely. Because I don't think I've ever had my hair done like this before, ever. I don't think I ever have. Yeah. Think about revoking my black card. I mean, I've had braids, I've had cornrows. I just don't think I've had this style. And I don't hate it. I really like it a lot. Again, I would love to see these kinds of styles in different colors. I mean, everything from wearable natural colors to out of the box, bright blonde, neon pink, green, orange, purple, blue colors. I think that this would look amazeballs. Like I said, I believe this is called the Lemonade Braid Wig. It doesn't say so on the stock card. So this is the stock card. It says WSD lace braid box in 1B. There are no other details that come with this unit. Nothing, no words, no heat safe friendly stuff. I mean, not that you would expect that for this unit, but I mean, there's nothing. This is it. Comes in this awesome box with this stock card, about $50. I like it. So let me know what you thought about this braided hair unit in the comments section below. I always love to hear what your thoughts and opinions are. I hope you enjoyed this review, and I'll see you in my next video soon. Bye.